Welcome back guys to DBK Productions. Today we'll be changing filters and replacing blow-off valve with an original diverter valve on my project B5 Quattro. Let's start this by replacing cabin air filter because it's a quick and simple thing to start with. To replace cabin air filter I used new filter, big flathead screwdriver and an 8mm socket. When doing this you will want to start by unscrewing 8mm bolt and removing single clip in the middle. Then I rotated the plastic braces counterclockwise, 3 in total, and after that the piece was easy to remove. After removing the plastic piece I removed plastic drain piece. As you can see the filter was very dirty and clogged up. Here's the new filter just as a reference to show how old filter compares to the new one. From now on I just did these all steps in opposite order. Now let's replace the blow-off valve. I do this because the engine doesn't run properly with aftermarket blow and it really dumps all the pressure in atmosphere and has to pressurize it all over again when I let off the clutch. I'm not gonna lie, the replacement was a little bit tricky because Audi engineers haven't really left me a lot of space to work in. The blow-off valve itself was located behind the bumper cover in this car. I just followed Audi repair manual to put the original part back where it belongs. Just to show what we're replacing, here's the valve that was on the car compared to the original part. I went with the original part from Mark 1 Audi TT 225 just because it was only a fraction of the cost for better built forged recirculating valve. I won't go into details about it, but here's a helpful diagram from the original repair manual for this exact engine. I replaced the air filter here as well, because at this point it was easy to access. The airbox itself had a little bit of damage, so things in engine bay is going to change pretty soon as well. If you do this, just remember to put every plug and hose back where it belongs, because vacuum leaks on these cars will drive you absolutely nuts. I did a little test afterwards to see if everything is fine, and I was happy to see that everything worked fine. This is going to be a wrap for this video guys. I really hope you enjoyed it because we have some more parts to install and I really would love to see you next time around. That's all for now. This was DBK Productions. Have a wonderful day and see you next time.